Picture this: cash back for everyday purchases, the possibility of earning travel miles and points, and the chance to build your credit history, which opens up doors of future financial opportunities. But here's the catch: not all credit cards are created equal. From cashback kings to rewards royalty to 0% interest, in this video, I'm gonna provide you with a curated selection of my top beginner credit cards that fits various financial goals and lifestyles. Along with providing my top picks, we'll dive into the nuances of each card, explore the application process, and provide invaluable tips on how to use each credit card responsibly. So Ello, what do I do before applying for my first credit card, you might ask? First, you wanna make sure your credit report is clear of all derogatory marks and that you have at least a few credit builders for 6 to 12 months on your report. You can check the description below for my playlist on how to improve your credit. Next, you wanna make sure your name, address, and employer is listed correctly on your report. This could slow up the credit card application process or even trigger denials. Have you ever overdrafted a bank account? If so, you want to go to checksystems.com, pull your consumer report, and make sure you're not in check systems. Some of the credit cards I'm going to give you, the bank requires you to open up a savings account to become a member, and if you're in check systems, you'll be denied membership and you won't be able to apply for a credit card. Next, you want to make sure you don't have any fraud alerts on your credit profile. So you want to call TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Make sure you don't have any fraud alerts, because this will also trigger denials or prevent the credit card companies from pulling your credit report. When it comes to spending on a credit card, it's levels to it, guys. So level 1, credit card is one of the biggest wealth killers known to mankind. So you want to make sure you only spend what you can afford to pay off in full. You got to know without a shadow of a doubt that you could pay your credit card off in full at any given moment because you have that money in your bank account. When it comes to making a credit card payment, most people would tell you to make it on the due date. Here's why that's not 100% accurate. If you make your payment on your due date and continue to use your card for those next few days, the balance on your statement will get reported to the credit bureaus. And if it's above 30% of your credit card limit, that will negatively affect your credit score. Instead, what you want to do is make your due date payment, and then a day before your statement date, make another payment to get your balance at 10% or below of your credit card limit. And if you don't know when your statement date is, give your credit card company a call and they'll give you that information. So there's 4 essential factors to look for when it comes to beginner credit cards. Number 1, you have interest rates. Right now in the economy, your credit card interest rates may range anywhere between 10 to 30%. But you don't want to worry too much about the interest rates because we want to pay these credit cards off every month. The second thing you want to look for is annual fees. We want to find credit cards that have no annual fees tied to them. Third thing, rewards and benefits. Whether you prefer cash back, points, miles, or you don't care about rewards, you want to make sure you find the credit cards that's best for your situation. Fourth thing, sign-on bonus. Some credit card companies will offer $300 cash back when you spend a certain amount in 90 or 120 days. So this is another added benefit when it comes to searching for the best beginner credit card. So I know you waiting on me to tell you the top 5 credit cards. You could go anywhere on YouTube and they're gonna tell you, oh, the Discover It card, Capital One, Credit One, but cards are only gonna approve you for a $500 or $1,000 limit. And if you want to build your credit report and be able to get business funding 12 months from now where you're getting approved for $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 limits, you're going to need to get credit union credit cards. So what I want you to do is go to ibanknet.com, go to the bank map, select your state, click on credit unions, find the top 5 credit unions by assets, call each credit union, ask them which bank, which credit bureau they pull from, and then apply for their personal credit card. These credit unions are going to give you anywhere between $2,000 and $5,000 on each credit card. So if you apply for all 5 credit unions, you should be looking at anywhere between $10,000 and $25,000 in total approved personal credit cards. And then 12 months from now, you'll be able to go get some business funding or grow those limits with credit limit increases every 6 months. Now, If you're ready to graduate to the big boy business credit cards so you can fund your next side hustle idea or grow your existing business, watch my video to the left. I'm gonna be giving you guys all the sauce on how to get the best business credit cards out there. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Make sure you like this video so other people like you can find this video. And of course, hit the subscribe button. And as always, have a play for your money, family. Let's get it.